What if the meats you've been overlooking are actually the smartest, most powerful choices for your body and your wallet? Imagine fueling your muscles, boosting your energy, and supporting your overall health without spending a fortune. Today, you're about to discover 3 underrated, budget-friendly meats that deliver serious nutrition, incredible flavor, and surprising health benefits. And no, we're not talking about chicken breast. Protein plays a vital role in building a strong, balanced diet. It fuels your muscles, supports your metabolism, and helps your body function at its best. But when it comes to choosing the right protein sources, many people assume they need expensive options to get real benefits. That's not true. In fact, some of the most powerful and nutrient-rich meats are also the most affordable. You just have to know where to look. Today, we're diving into 3 incredibly underrated meat choices that deserve a regular place on your plate. These aren't just budget-friendly options, they're packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals that your body relies on every single day. And the best part? They deliver all of this while keeping your meals satisfying, flavorful, and easy to prepare. Let's begin with chicken thighs. When people think of healthy chicken, they almost always picture the breast. It's lean, it's popular, and it's often considered the safe option. But there's another part of the chicken that deserves just as much attention, if not more. Chicken thighs are often overlooked, yet they offer a combination of flavor, nutrition, and value that's hard to beat. Their darker meat is naturally more tender and juicy, making every meal more enjoyable and satisfying. But the benefits go far beyond taste. Chicken thighs are loaded with high-quality protein that supports muscle growth, recovery, and long-term strength. When paired with regular physical activity, this type of protein can help maintain muscle mass and overall physical performance. They're also rich in key nutrients like zinc and selenium, both of which are essential for a strong immune system and proper thyroid function. In addition, chicken thighs provide iron and B vitamins, which help your body produce energy and maintain healthy blood circulation. Another interesting benefit is the presence of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin. This feel-good chemical plays a role in mood balance, which means the foods you eat can actually influence how you feel emotionally. Yes, chicken thighs do contain slightly more fat than chicken breasts, but that doesn't make them unhealthy. In fact, many of these fats are beneficial, including unsaturated fats that your body needs for proper function. The key, as always, is balance and portion control. When prepared the right way, such as baking, grilling, or air frying, chicken thighs can be a healthy and delicious part of your daily meals. Removing the skin can also help reduce excess fat while still keeping the meat flavorful. And let's not forget one major advantage: affordability. Chicken thighs are often cheaper than other cuts, making them a perfect option for anyone trying to eat well on a budget. Finally, let's talk about number 1, sirloin steak. When it comes to red meat, sirloin often gets overshadowed by more expensive cuts like filet mignon. But that doesn't mean it's any less valuable. In fact, it might be one of the smartest choices you can make. Sirloin steak is a lean cut that offers a powerful combination of protein and essential nutrients. It supports muscle growth, repair, and long-term strength, something that becomes increasingly important as we age and naturally lose muscle mass over time. One of its standout nutrients is iron. This mineral is essential for producing red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout your body. Without enough iron, you may feel tired, weak, or low on energy. A single serving of sirloin can provide a significant portion of your daily iron needs. It's also packed with zinc and vitamin B12, both of which play critical roles in immune function, brain health, and energy production. When included as part of a balanced diet, lean red meats like sirloin can even support heart health. Some research suggests that diets incorporating lean, unprocessed red meat, especially within a Mediterranean-style approach, may help improve certain metabolic health markers. And when it comes to versatility, sirloin steak delivers. You can grill it, roast it, slice it into stir-fries, or add it to wraps, salads, and tacos. Its rich flavor pairs well with a wide variety of ingredients, making it easy to include in everyday meals. Affordable, nutrient-dense, and incredibly satisfying, sirloin steak proves that eating well doesn't have to be expensive. At the end of the day, chicken thighs and sirloin steak are more than just simple cuts of meat. They're powerful sources of nutrition that can elevate your health, improve your energy, and support your overall well-being. By making small, smart changes to your diet and including these options regularly, you can enjoy meals that are both delicious and beneficial for your body. Of course, it's always important to consider your individual needs. Everyone's body is different, and dietary choices should reflect your personal health goals and conditions. If you're unsure, consulting a healthcare professional can help you make the best decisions for your situation. This content is intended for informational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice. Your health doesn't depend on expensive foods, it depends on smart choices. And sometimes, the most powerful options are the ones hiding in plain sight. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your body transforms. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to like, subscribe, and explore more content that helps you live stronger, healthier, and better every single day.